Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we approach academic research and scholarly writing. Today, AI tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering researchers powerful assistance throughout the entire research paper writing process. AI encompasses machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, automated data analysis, and pattern recognition systems. These technologies can process vast amounts of information, identify patterns, and generate insights that would take humans significantly longer to discover. AI can assist researchers at every stage of the research process, from generating research topics and conducting literature reviews to analyzing complex datasets and helping with writing and editing. This comprehensive support makes the research process more efficient and thorough. The key principle is that AI augments, not replaces, human intelligence. Humans bring creativity, critical thinking, and contextual understanding, while AI provides computational speed and pattern recognition. This collaboration enhances research capabilities far beyond what either could achieve alone. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical and responsible use of AI in research is paramount. Researchers must maintain academic integrity, ensure transparency about AI use, preserve human critical thinking, and always verify AI-generated content. AI is a powerful tool, but human oversight and judgment remain essential. As we explore AI's role in research paper writing, remember that AI is here to enhance and support your research journey, not to replace the fundamental human elements of curiosity, creativity, and critical analysis that drive meaningful academic discovery. Research begins with a good idea, but finding that perfect research topic can be challenging. AI tools have revolutionized how researchers generate and explore potential topics, transforming broad interests into focused research questions. Many researchers face the same dilemma. They have a general area of interest but struggle to narrow it down to a specific, researchable question. This is where AI becomes invaluable. The AI topic generation process follows three key steps. First, you input broad keywords or areas of interest. Then, AI analyzes these inputs and generates multiple variations and related concepts. Finally, you receive specific, focused research topics ready for investigation. AI excels at expanding a single broad concept into multiple specific research directions. For example, starting with climate change as a keyword, AI can generate dozens of focused research questions across different disciplines and approaches. Several AI tools excel at topic generation. ChatGPT offers conversational brainstorming. Claude provides research-focused suggestions. Gemini supports multimodal idea generation. And Perplexity gives source-backed topic ideas with citations. To get the best results from AI topic generation, start with specific keywords rather than vague terms. Ask for topics within your discipline, request different research methodologies, and iterate based on the AI's suggestions to refine your ideas. Here's a practical example from psychology research. By providing a specific prompt about social media's impact on college student mental health, AI generates focused, researchable topics that incorporate relevant psychological theories and current social media platforms. AI topic generation transforms the research process by turning broad interests into specific, actionable research questions. This saves time, sparks creativity, and helps researchers discover angles they might not have considered on their own. Literature review is one of the most time-consuming aspects of research writing. Traditionally, researchers spend countless hours manually searching through databases, reading abstracts, and determining which sources are relevant to their work. The challenge is enormous. Academic databases contain millions of research papers, articles, and books. Finding the most relevant sources from this vast ocean of information can feel overwhelming and inefficient. This is where artificial intelligence transforms the literature review process. AI algorithms can analyze these massive databases in seconds, not hours, and intelligently filter results based on your specific research criteria. AI algorithms use natural language processing to understand the context and meaning of research papers. They can identify semantic relationships between concepts, even when different terminology is used, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your research topic. Beyond finding relevant papers, AI tools can automatically summarize research papers and extract key information. These tools use advanced natural language processing to identify the main findings, methodology, and conclusions from lengthy academic papers. AI can also transform raw research data into meaningful insights. By analyzing patterns in the literature, AI tools can identify trends, extract statistical information, and create visual representations of research findings across multiple papers. The benefits of AI-powered literature review are transformative. Researchers can reduce literature review time from weeks to hours, discover relevant sources they might have missed, and gain deeper insights through automated analysis and summarization. AI-powered literature review represents a fundamental shift in how researchers approach their work. By leveraging these intelligent tools, researchers can focus more time on analysis and critical thinking rather than manual searching and sorting. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized how researchers analyze and interpret data. Modern AI systems can process vast data sets, perform complex statistical analyses, and identify patterns that might be invisible to human researchers. The AI data analysis process begins with multiple data sources. Raw data sets, research documents, and performance metrics all feed into sophisticated AI algorithms that can process information at unprecedented scales. AI systems excel at three key areas of data analysis: statistical analysis for quantitative insights, pattern recognition for discovering hidden relationships, and generating actionable insights from complex data sets. AI excels at statistical analysis by automating complex calculations and handling large data sets. Traditional statistical methods like regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and correlation analysis can now be performed at scale with AI assistance. The key advantages of AI in statistical analysis include the ability to process millions of data points simultaneously, identify complex nonlinear relationships, reduce human calculation errors, and intelligently handle missing or incomplete data. AI transforms data visualization by automatically selecting the most appropriate chart types for different data sets. Whether you need diverging bar charts for comparative analysis, radar charts for multidimensional data, or stacked charts for compositional analysis, AI can recommend and generate the optimal visualization. Pattern recognition is where AI truly shines in research. AI algorithms can detect anomalies that might indicate measurement errors or breakthrough discoveries, analyze trends over time, automatically cluster similar data points, and classify new data based on learned patterns from existing datasets. Medical research exemplifies AI's transformative power in data analysis. From drug discovery pipelines that screen millions of compounds, to medical image analysis that detects diseases earlier than human specialists, AI is revolutionizing healthcare research through sophisticated data interpretation. While AI provides powerful analytical capabilities, verification remains absolutely critical. Researchers must cross-validate results using multiple methods, ensure data quality, verify that statistical assumptions are met, seek peer review of AI-generated insights, and test findings on independent datasets. AI is a powerful tool that enhances human analytical capabilities, but it should never replace critical thinking and scientific rigor. The combination of AI efficiency with human oversight creates the most reliable and trustworthy research outcomes. AI writing assistants have revolutionized how we approach drafting and writing. These tools provide real-time support for grammar, spelling, style, and sentence structure while helping writers maintain their unique voice. Grammar and spelling correction is the most fundamental feature of AI writing assistants. These tools can instantly identify and suggest fixes for common errors, from simple typos to complex grammatical mistakes. Beyond basic corrections, AI assistants excel at style and tone improvements. They can suggest more professional language, clearer phrasing, and help match the appropriate tone for academic writing. AI tools also excel at improving sentence structure and flow. They can identify overly complex sentences, suggest better transitions, and help create more readable academic prose. While AI assistance is powerful, maintaining your personal voice and writing style is crucial. The goal is to use AI as a collaborative tool that enhances your writing while preserving your unique perspective and academic voice. Modern AI writing assistants integrate sophisticated language models that understand context and nuance. These systems can provide intelligent suggestions while learning from your writing patterns to offer increasingly personalized assistance. AI powered paraphrasing and summarization tools have revolutionized how researchers work with text. These technologies help avoid plagiarism while making complex information more accessible and manageable. AI paraphrasing tools help researchers rewrite existing text while preserving the original meaning. This process transforms sentences and phrases to create unique expressions of the same ideas. Tools like Quillbot demonstrate how AI can intelligently rephrase text. The highlighted words show where changes have been made, helping users understand the transformation process. AI summarization helps researchers process large volumes of text by creating concise versions that capture key information. There are two main approaches to AI summarization. Extractive summarization selects and combines existing sentences from the original document. Abstractive summarization generates entirely new sentences that capture the essence of the original content. A critical point that researchers must understand: using AI to paraphrase or summarize does not eliminate the need for proper citation. The original ideas and information still belong to their creators. This example shows proper citation format, where authors are credited and paraphrased information is clearly attributed to its source. This practice maintains academic integrity. Ethical use of AI in research requires transparency about when and how AI tools are used. Researchers should maintain auditability, ensure fair representation of sources, and be able to explain their methodology. To conclude, AI paraphrasing and summarization are powerful tools that can enhance research efficiency. However, they must be used responsibly with proper citation, transparency, and adherence to academic integrity standards. Citation management is one of the most time-consuming aspects of academic writing. AI tools are revolutionizing this process by automating citation formatting and bibliography generation. AI citation management tools can automatically extract bibliographic information from sources, format citations in multiple academic styles, and generate complete bibliographies with just a few clicks. Different academic disciplines require different citation styles. The three most common are APA for Psychology and Sciences, MLA for Literature and Humanities, and Chicago for History and Arts. Each citation contains specific components that must be formatted correctly. These include author names, publication titles, dates, publishers, and page numbers, all arranged according to the chosen style guide. AI tools understand the connection between in-text citations and bibliography entries. They ensure consistency between what appears in your text and what appears in your reference list. There are numerous AI-powered citation management tools available. These include popular options like Mendeley, EndNote, Zotero, and RefWorks, each offering unique features for researchers and students. Mendeley, for example, uses AI to automatically extract metadata from PDFs, organize your research library, and generate citations in over 9,000 citation styles with just one click. Other tools like Citation Machine offer web-based citation generation with support for multiple formats and direct export to word processors, though users should be aware of potential limitations and accuracy concerns. While AI citation tools are incredibly helpful, it's crucial to verify the accuracy of generated citations. AI can make mistakes with author names, publication dates, or formatting details that could affect your academic credibility. When used correctly, AI citation management tools save hours of manual formatting work, reduce errors, ensure consistency across your document, and allow you to focus on the content of your research rather than formatting details. AI-powered plagiarism detection has revolutionized how we maintain academic integrity in research writing. These sophisticated systems use advanced algorithms to identify potential instances of plagiarism and help researchers ensure their work is original. The AI plagiarism detection process begins when a research paper is submitted to the system. The AI then analyzes the text using natural language processing algorithms and compares it against vast databases of academic papers, web content, and published materials. AI plagiarism detectors use multiple sophisticated methods. Text similarity algorithms compare word patterns and sentence structures. Semantic analysis goes beyond exact matches to understand meaning and context. Citation verification ensures that sources are properly attributed and quotes are correctly formatted. When plagiarism is detected, AI systems provide comprehensive reports. They highlight suspicious text passages, show similarity percentages, identify the original sources, and generate detailed comparison reports that help researchers understand exactly what needs to be addressed. Academic integrity forms the foundation of scholarly research. It encompasses honesty in research and writing, proper attribution of sources, respect for intellectual property, transparency in methodology, and taking responsibility for producing original work. AI plagiarism detection tools help uphold these essential principles. Several AI-powered tools lead the plagiarism detection market. Turnitin scans against over 70 billion web pages and 850 million student papers, providing real-time feedback and detailed similarity reports. Grammarly combines plagiarism detection with writing enhancement, offering citation suggestions and real-time scanning. Copyscape specializes in web content scanning with batch checking capabilities and API integration for institutional use. Prevention is always better than detection. Researchers should use plagiarism checkers early and often throughout the writing process, maintain detailed research notes, practice proper citation habits, understand effective paraphrasing techniques, keep track of all sources used, and review their institutional policies on academic integrity. AI-powered plagiarism detection and prevention tools are essential components of modern academic research. They help maintain the integrity of scholarly work, provide comprehensive coverage through multiple detection methods, and when used proactively, significantly improve the quality and originality of research papers. When using AI tools in research paper writing, ethical considerations become paramount. Transparency and proper disclosure are not just recommended practices. They are essential requirements for maintaining academic integrity and research credibility. Ethical AI use in research is built on fundamental principles including transparency, accountability, fairness, and responsibility. These principles guide how we should integrate AI tools into our research workflows. The cornerstone of ethical AI use is transparency. Researchers must clearly distinguish between transparent disclosure of AI assistance and problematic concealment of AI involvement in their work. Proper disclosure requires acknowledging AI contributions in specific sections of your research paper. The acknowledgement section is one appropriate place to credit AI tools and describe how they assisted your research process. Effective AI disclosure follows specific best practices. Be specific about which tools you used, describe the extent of assistance, explain your oversight process, and maintain clear boundaries between AI assistance and human contribution. Remember, transparency in AI usage is not just about following rules. It's about maintaining trust in research, enabling reproducibility, and upholding the integrity of academic scholarship. When in doubt, disclose more rather than less. While AI offers powerful assistance in research writing, it's crucial to avoid over-reliance on these tools. Human critical thinking remains irreplaceable in producing quality research. The key is maintaining balance. AI should serve as a powerful tool that augments human intelligence, not as a replacement for critical thinking and analysis. Researchers must maintain 5 core critical thinking skills when working with AI: analyzing information, reasoning through problems, solving complex issues, evaluating evidence, and making informed decisions. Understanding the fundamental differences between AI and human intelligence helps researchers know when to rely on each. AI excels at pattern recognition and data processing, while humans provide context, creativity, and adaptive reasoning. Researchers must be aware of cognitive biases that can affect their evaluation of AI-generated content. Confirmation bias, automation bias, and overconfidence can lead to uncritical acceptance of AI outputs. Develop a systematic approach to evaluating AI-generated content. Always question outputs, cross-reference findings with multiple sources, and apply your domain expertise to assess accuracy and relevance. The future of research lies in the thoughtful integration of AI capabilities with human critical thinking. Use AI to enhance your abilities, but never let it replace your judgment, curiosity, and analytical skills. When using AI tools for research paper writing, data privacy and security become critical concerns. Your research data, ideas, and intellectual property need protection from unauthorized access, misuse, and potential breaches. Research data faces multiple privacy challenges when processed by AI systems. These include data minimization requirements, the need for proper de-identification and anonymization, loss of user control over data, and complex third-party sharing arrangements. Beyond privacy challenges, AI research workflows face numerous security threats. These include traditional cybersecurity risks like viruses, hacking attempts, spyware, and sophisticated cyber attacks that can compromise sensitive research data. When you upload research data to AI platforms, you risk exposing confidential information, preliminary findings, proprietary methodologies, and participant data. This exposure can lead to intellectual property theft, competitive disadvantage, or regulatory violations. Regulatory compliance is essential when handling research data. The General Data Protection Regulation and similar privacy laws require specific steps, including data protection impact assessments, proper consent mechanisms, and appointment of data protection officers. Secure data handling requires robust architecture with multiple layers of protection. This includes encrypted storage, secure network configurations, proper access controls, and comprehensive monitoring systems to detect and prevent unauthorized access. When sharing data with AI platforms, use encrypted transmission methods. The ideal process involves encrypting data before upload, storing it securely with hash verification, and using proper authorization mechanisms to control access throughout the entire workflow. To protect your research data, follow these essential best practices. Choose AI tools with strong privacy policies, use data anonymization techniques, implement local processing when possible, and maintain detailed audit trails of all data interactions. Remember that data privacy and security are ongoing responsibilities, not one-time considerations. Stay informed about evolving regulations, regularly assess your AI tool choices, and always prioritize the protection of sensitive research data over convenience. AI algorithms can inherit and amplify biases present in their training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Understanding these biases and implementing mitigation strategies is crucial for responsible AI development. AI bias typically originates from training data that contains historical inequalities, underrepresented groups, or measurement errors. When AI models learn from this biased data, they perpetuate and sometimes amplify these biases in their outputs. Bias can enter AI systems at multiple stages of development. This comprehensive view shows how biases emerge during data generation, from population sampling to measurement, and continue through model building, evaluation, and deployment phases. The impact of AI bias becomes evident when we examine performance metrics across different demographic groups. This dashboard reveals significant disparities in model performance, with some groups experiencing much higher error rates than others. Fortunately, there are several proven strategies to mitigate AI bias. These approaches focus on improving data quality, implementing fairness-aware algorithms, and establishing robust oversight processes. Here are 6 key strategies for mitigating AI bias: establishing oversight teams using fairness-aware algorithms, gathering candidate feedback, conducting regular audits, improving training data diversity, and implementing bias reporting systems. Let me detail 4 critical mitigation strategies. First, ensure diverse training data that represents all groups fairly. Second, implement fairness metrics to measure performance across demographics. Third, conduct regular auditing to catch bias early. Fourth, maintain human oversight for critical decisions. Most importantly, researchers must maintain critical thinking when using AI tools. Always question AI recommendations, look for patterns and errors, consider alternative perspectives, and validate results across different groups. This critical evaluation is your best defense against perpetuating bias in research. The landscape of AI in research writing is rapidly evolving. We stand at the threshold of revolutionary changes that will transform how researchers discover, analyze, and communicate knowledge. To understand where we're heading, let's compare current AI capabilities with what the future may hold for research writing. Current AI tools provide valuable assistance with basic tasks like text generation, citation formatting, and literature searches. However, future AI systems will offer far more sophisticated capabilities. Future AI will include autonomous research agents that can independently conduct literature reviews, real-time fact verification systems, and even collaborative AI co-authors that work alongside human researchers. The evolution of AI in research writing will unfold over the next decade. We can expect significant milestones at regular intervals, each bringing new capabilities and opportunities. Current AI-aided research workflows, like this literature review process, represent just the beginning. These systematic approaches will become far more sophisticated and automated. Future research workflows will be fundamentally different. AI will be integrated at every step, from initial query formulation through autonomous literature mining to collaborative writing and instant peer review. Even fundamental aspects like citation management will be revolutionized. Current manual processes for different citation styles will become seamlessly automated and context aware. To thrive in this AI enhanced future, researchers must proactively adapt. This means developing AI literacy, focusing on critical thinking skills, and embracing collaborative workflows while maintaining ethical standards. The future of AI in research writing is not about replacement, but collaboration. AI will amplify human creativity and insight, enabling researchers to tackle more complex questions and make breakthrough discoveries faster than ever before. Different research domains require specialized AI tools designed to handle their unique data types, methodologies, and analytical needs. These domain-specific tools offer more targeted functionality than general-purpose AI systems. Let's explore four major research domains where specialized AI tools have made significant impact: bioinformatics, social sciences, engineering, and medical research. In bioinformatics, AI tools like AlphaFold revolutionize protein structure prediction, while BLAST algorithms enable rapid sequence alignment, and platforms like Galaxy provide comprehensive genomics workflows. Social sciences leverage AI tools like NLTK and SPACY for natural language processing, R and SPSS for advanced statistical modeling, and Gephi for complex network analysis of social relationships. Many AI applications exist at the intersection of multiple domains. Explainable AI and human-agent interaction combine social science, artificial intelligence, and human-computer interaction to create more intuitive research tools. Engineering relies on ANSYS for complex simulations and MATLAB for mathematical modeling, while medical research uses ImageJ for advanced imaging analysis and ChemDraw for computational drug discovery. When selecting AI platforms for research, systematic evaluation across multiple criteria is essential. This comparison matrix shows how different virtual agent platforms perform across interface design, intent recognition, entity handling, implementation effort, roadmap strength, and cost considerations. When selecting domain-specific AI tools, researchers should evaluate data compatibility, integration capabilities, scalability requirements, and community support. The right tool should seamlessly fit into existing research workflows while providing the specialized functionality needed for your specific domain. Research is a global endeavor, but language barriers often limit access to valuable knowledge published in different languages. AI-powered translation tools are revolutionizing how researchers access and share knowledge across linguistic boundaries. Traditional language barriers create silos in research, preventing scholars from accessing important work published in languages they don't speak. This limits the scope of literature reviews and cross-cultural research collaboration. AI translation tools act as bridges, breaking down these language barriers and enabling researchers to access knowledge from around the world. Modern AI can translate research papers while preserving technical terminology and context. Professional AI translation platforms like Unbabel combine machine translation with human expertise to provide high-quality translations for businesses and researchers. These platforms understand that words matter, and context is crucial for accurate translation. Translation quality varies significantly across different AI models and language pairs. Neural machine translation has dramatically improved over phrase based methods, but human translation still achieves the highest quality scores, especially for complex academic content. While AI translation is powerful, verification remains critical for research applications. A proper workflow includes AI translation followed by human review, context verification, and final approval. This ensures accuracy and maintains the integrity of academic work. Following best practices ensures effective use of AI translation in research. Use specialized academic tools, verify technical terminology, consider cultural context, collaborate with native speakers, and always acknowledge AI assistance in your methodology. This approach maximizes benefits while maintaining research integrity. Grant proposal writing is one of the most challenging aspects of academic and research work. AI is revolutionizing this process by automating tedious tasks and enhancing the quality of proposals. Researchers face multiple challenges when writing grant proposals. They must find relevant funding opportunities, create compelling outlines, meet strict formatting requirements, and ensure high-quality writing throughout. AI tools excel at discovering funding opportunities by scanning thousands of databases simultaneously. They match your research interests with relevant grants, track deadlines, and even provide success rate analytics to help prioritize applications. AI generates comprehensive proposal outlines tailored to specific funding agencies. It analyzes successful proposals to recommend optimal structures, ensuring all required sections are included and properly organized. AI significantly enhances writing quality by optimizing grammar and style, suggesting appropriate technical terminology, improving clarity and readability, and ensuring compliance with specific funding agency guidelines. AI tools analyze vast grant databases using sophisticated algorithms. They create detailed research profiles, scan funding opportunities, calculate compatibility scores, and provide ranked recommendations tailored to each researcher's specific expertise and goals. The complete AI-assisted grant writing workflow integrates multiple tools and processes. Popular platforms like GrantForward and PivotRP provide comprehensive solutions, resulting in 60% faster proposal development, higher success rates, reduced administrative burden, and consistently improved proposal quality. AI is fundamentally transforming grant proposal writing from a time-consuming, manual process into an efficient, data-driven workflow that maximizes funding success while maintaining the highest standards of academic integrity. Visual content is crucial for research papers, helping readers understand complex data and concepts at a glance. AI is revolutionizing how researchers create figures, tables, and charts. AI can automatically generate sophisticated data visualizations from raw research data. Here's an example of a scatter plot created by AI, showing the relationship between sepal measurements across different iris species. AI tools also excel at creating professional tables and charts with customizable formatting options. These tools can automatically organize data, apply consistent styling, and generate publication-ready visuals. Popular AI tools for visual content creation include Tableau with AI features, Microsoft Power BI, Plotly Dash, and specialized research tools like GraphPad Prism. These platforms can interpret data patterns and suggest optimal visualization types. AI-powered visual content creation saves researchers significant time while ensuring professional, consistent results. These tools democratize high-quality data visualization, making it accessible to researchers regardless of their design expertise. Research gaps represent unexplored areas in academic literature where new studies could make significant contributions. Identifying these gaps traditionally requires extensive manual review of hundreds or thousands of papers. Artificial intelligence transforms this process by automatically analyzing vast amounts of research literature. AI systems can process thousands of papers simultaneously, identifying patterns, themes, and most importantly, areas where research is lacking. The gap analysis process follows a systematic approach. This flowchart shows the 6 key steps: identify current research, investigate patterns, decide on focus areas, implement analysis methods, analyze results, and improve the process based on findings. Network analysis provides another powerful approach for gap identification. This visualization shows how AI can map relationships between research topics, revealing areas where connections are sparse or missing entirely. The dispersed network structure indicates opportunities for bridging research domains. Several AI tools specialize in research gap identification and trend prediction. These tools can analyze citation patterns, track emerging topics, and predict future research directions based on current publication trends and funding patterns. Practical applications of AI gap identification include discovering underexplored methodologies, identifying cross-disciplinary opportunities, and predicting emerging research areas. These capabilities enable researchers to position their work strategically and contribute to areas with the highest potential impact. The integration of AI into research writing is fundamentally challenging our understanding of authorship. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must reconsider who or what can be considered an author of a research paper. Traditionally, authorship in academic research has been defined by three key criteria. Authors must make substantial contributions to the conception or design of the work, take intellectual responsibility for the content, and provide final approval of the version to be published. To understand whether AI can be considered an author, we must examine the fundamental differences between AI and human intelligence. This comparison reveals critical distinctions that affect authorship considerations. AI requires vast amounts of data for learning, while humans can learn from single instances. Humans possess imagination and can form abstract ideas, whereas AI is limited to pattern recognition and synthesis. Most importantly, humans have multisensory integration capabilities that most AI systems lack. AI involvement in research exists on a spectrum. At one end, AI serves as a simple tool for grammar checking. Moving along the spectrum, it becomes an assistant providing writing suggestions, then a collaborator generating content and developing ideas. The question remains whether AI can reach the level of co-author with independent contributions. Clear delineation of roles and responsibilities is essential. Human researchers must maintain responsibility for research design, critical analysis, ethical oversight, and final decision-making. They bear intellectual responsibility for the work's validity and integrity. AI tools, regardless of their sophistication, should be viewed as powerful assistants that handle data processing, content generation, pattern recognition, and technical tasks. They support the research process but do not replace human judgment, creativity, and accountability. The current academic consensus is clear. AI cannot be listed as an author on research papers. However, AI contributions must be transparently disclosed and described. Human researchers retain full accountability for AI-assisted work, and transparency in AI usage is essential for maintaining research integrity. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will our understanding of authorship. However, the fundamental principle remains. Human researchers must maintain intellectual responsibility, ethical oversight, and accountability for their work, regardless of the AI tools they employ. Now we'll explore practical examples of AI tools being used in real research scenarios across different disciplines. These demonstrations show both the capabilities and limitations of current AI research assistants. First, let's examine Elicit, an AI research assistant that helps with literature reviews. Here we see a query about probiotics and gut health, where Elicit has analyzed multiple research papers and provided a comprehensive summary. This comparison shows the difference between traditional ad-supported search results and AI-powered consensus search. Notice how the AI version provides evidence-based answers from peer-reviewed sources rather than commercial content. Galactica demonstrates AI's ability to generate different types of scientific content. From literature reviews to lecture notes, it can produce structured academic writing across various formats and disciplines. Scholarcy shows how AI can analyze existing research papers. It extracts key figures, summarizes findings, and provides quick insights into complex academic papers, making literature review more efficient. AI also assists with technical aspects like formatting and citation management. However, Comparing this with traditional manual annotation shows that human oversight remains crucial for quality control and critical analysis. These examples reveal important patterns. AI excels at information synthesis, pattern recognition, and routine tasks, but human expertise remains essential for critical evaluation, context understanding, and ensuring research quality and integrity. The most effective approach combines AI efficiency with human expertise. AI handles routine tasks and information processing, while researchers focus on analysis, interpretation, and ensuring the integrity of their work. Throughout this comprehensive exploration of AI in research writing, we've discovered powerful tools that can transform how we approach academic work. From literature reviews to citation management, AI offers unprecedented capabilities to enhance research efficiency and quality. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The key to successful AI integration lies in following core principles that ensure ethical and effective use of these technologies. First, we must balance efficiency with integrity. AI should enhance our work, not replace our scholarly judgment. Every AI-generated insight must be critically evaluated and verified against reliable sources. Second, transparency is essential. We must clearly disclose when and how AI tools are used in our research. This builds trust with readers and maintains the integrity of the academic process. Third, we must preserve and strengthen our critical thinking skills. AI should augment human intelligence, not diminish it. The ability to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information remains uniquely human and irreplaceable. When used responsibly, AI becomes a powerful ally in advancing human knowledge. It can help us process vast amounts of information, identify patterns we might miss, and free up time for deeper analysis and creative thinking. The future of research lies not in choosing between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, but in combining them thoughtfully. AI tools will continue to evolve, offering new possibilities for discovery and understanding. As researchers, we stand at the threshold of a new era. I encourage you to explore AI tools with curiosity and caution. Experiment with different applications, but always maintain your ethical standards and critical thinking skills. Remember, AI is not here to replace researchers. It's here to empower them. By embracing these tools responsibly, we can accelerate scientific discovery, improve research quality, and tackle the complex challenges facing our world. The future of research is bright, and it's in your hands.